As the meme coin narrative is hotting up once again, there is one coin for me that's standing out, and the price expectation is pretty big. Pepe, we're expecting a big move. Lots of whales are getting in position, and namely, some very interesting views from a social perspective. What are we talking about? Well, it's going to be Pepe. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So welcome back, everybody. Let's take a quick look at the total market capitalization for meme coins. You can see they're around $51.5 billion, up, well, it's down about 4%. And our volume trading is a little bit down. We've been around 6 billion, but 4.4 billion is where we sit. Now, Bitcoin did just take a little bit of a hit down to about 62,300. So the market for me is coiling like a spring, and I absolutely believe meme coins are going to be the way that this pushes out. You can see Pepe there with about $700 million worth of volume, sitting still at the third highest meme coin at $3.5 billion market cap. Now, if you remember, Dog with Hat actually was outperforming Pepe for quite some time. To say there is now a $300 million gap between the two, for me, shows two things. One, the incredible strength in which the price activity on Pepe is happening, and more importantly, the big community that sits behind it. That's one of the main things for me that I think is intrinsic to Pepe's success in this bull market. 216,000 holders, and in which is continuing to grow. It might not feel a lot, 0.05%, but when you're based on 216,000 holders, it is actually a significant amount. And this is continuing to grow each day. You can see just here by the chart how much that is growing every single day, and ultimately where that traction is going. These are all new wallets and new holders coming into Pepe. But what else is going on? What else is important when it comes to Pepe? Well, we know that we are expecting to get a significant move on meme coins based upon the price of Bitcoin. You can see that according to June Analytics, meme coin transaction volume across major blockchains such as Ethereum and Solana have plummeted dramatically from the high of nearly $1 billion in March. Weekly trading volume has shockingly dropped to just 1.6 million as of the 6th of May. However, the overall market behavior reflects a broader disinterest from investors, and the minute this changes, we are going to see it move. Now, that's the broader picture of meme coins. Where it becomes interesting is actually when you look at Pepe on the Ethereum volume, and this showcases exactly what I mean. Pepe is almost becoming that OG token, outperforming SHIB by a significant amount, outperforming everything by that amount, and a huge move as it comes to Ethereum meme coins. And this is the point here, that Pepe, albeit may be part of a market that is waiting to break out, that coiled spring that I talked about. Actually, what is happening is Pepe is still being traded aggressively by, institutions, and ultimately by big investors. Namely, huge transactions of Pepe whales are selling, trading, and getting ready to make some big plays on this one. We saw multi-sig wallet move 1.23 trillion Pepe to Binance, and the value about $10.6 million. So these are big money moves from the Pepe token, which could signify a couple of things. Like I said, the price wants to be lower. This gives the opportunity for people to get in. I talked about this on my live stream, specifically related to Bitcoin, in that what feels expensive. And if you ask me, when you look at the chart, Pepe has been trading in a nice pattern. Now, equally, we have just broke out above that simple moving average, which is good news when it comes to Pepe. MACD is trading very aggressively. And again, if we can see this reversal and continue to the upside, I think we could be in for a pretty big move. Yes, the rest of the market feels a little bit red today. We see things like Boom down, as well as Bonk, Floki, all which I talk about on this channel. But what's interesting is we did hit this upper support of the 891 range. Again, this is where we want to start breaking up. Getting rid of a zero, heading on up to the 1100s would signify a very, very strong move, and a move with volume nevertheless, which I think signifies exactly what's coming for Pepe. So if you look behind the scenes of what's going on, people are still trading it. Yes, we're seeing big sells, but this is all about volume. We know that it's one of the, if not biggest, meme coin trading on the Ethereum network, as well as also correlated directly to the price of Bitcoin. So lots of positives for Pepe. Expect a very big price movement in this bull market. In fact, I actually think it could break another zero. It could even be the first meme coin to $100 billion market cap. Who knows? It's going to be a pretty crazy ride, all being said. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What's your price prediction for Pepe? Where do you think this one is going to be? I'm always interested to know your thoughts. But until the next video, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you very soon. Take care.